Recently, the Kalashnikov concern has unveiled the KUB-10ME, a new tactical class precision-guided munition with a range of over 100 kilometers. The new system was developed in record time, drawing on the experience of actively using other guided munitions in special military operations. The development of a system with a range of over 100 kilometers reflects the trend toward expanding the capabilities of tactical unmanned strike systems. The head of the concern, Alan Lushnikov, also stated that a new version of the Kub-10 with a warhead weighing 16 kg has been created. The Kub-10ME is a precision-guided munition designed to engage a wide range of battlefield targets. These include unarmored and lightly armored vehicles, armored personnel carriers, command posts of various levels, air defense and missile defense facilities, radar stations, electronic warfare systems, and counter-battery reconnaissance. The munition is also effective against the launch sites of enemy drones, helicopters and aircraft in open areas, as well as against field ammunition and fuel depots. The Kub-10ME's key feature is its optronic guidance system, which allows it to engage not only stationary but also moving targets. The munition also boasts enhanced resistance to enemy electronic warfare and air defense systems. It is also equipped with an aerial photography and video recording system capable of recording onboard data. The munition can perform missions in any conditions, day and night, in good and adverse weather, with wind gusts of up to 10 meters per second, and in temperatures ranging from -30 to +40 degrees Celsius. Its operational altitude range is from 80 to 1,800 meters, and its cruising speed is approximately 120 kilometers per hour. The supplied equipment can be customized based on customer requirements. As a reminder, this is not the only guided munition in the Kub family. This family began with the basic Kub-BLA model, first unveiled back in 2019. This small, virtually silent aircraft can carry a 3-kilogram warhead up to 50 kilometers away, loitering in the air for about half an hour at a cruising speed of 80 to 130 kilometers per hour. It can be used to destroy personnel, lightly armored vehicles and radar stations, and since its introduction to the front lines, the Kub has proven itself to be a reliable and low-maintenance weapon. Soon, more powerful and sophisticated vehicles were developed. For example, the Kub-2, which is available with warheads of varying weights and is capable of effectively engaging targets even on the move. It can be controlled automatically. Onboard electronics with elements of artificial intelligence make it resistant to electronic warfare. Kub-2 guided munitions have already proven highly effective in the air defense zone. Thus, the Kub family has proven its effectiveness in a short period of time, evolving from a small loitering munition to a versatile long-range tactical weapon. Imagine a silent predator, launched from mobile positions deep behind friendly lines. The Kub-10ME takes to the skies, its compact frame cutting through the air with purpose. Unlike traditional artillery or short-range drones that demand proximity to the front, this system allows Russian forces to project power far beyond the immediate combat zone. Targets that once felt safe, rear command posts, logistics hubs, air defense installations, and concentrations of unarmored vehicles, are now within lethal reach. At the heart of the KUB-10ME lies its sophisticated electro-optical guidance system. This enables the munition to identify, track, and engage both stationary and moving targets with pinpoint accuracy. Operators can switch between manual, semi-automatic and fully autonomous modes, giving Russian commanders unparalleled flexibility in dynamic battlefield conditions. Day or night, the drone operates flawlessly. Its onboard sensors pierce through darkness and adverse weather, delivering real-time video feeds that allow for last-minute target confirmation or abort decisions. What truly sets the KUB-10ME apart is its enhanced resistance to electronic warfare and air defense systems. Drawing directly from hard-earned lessons in the ongoing special military operation, Russian engineers have fortified the drone's navigation and guidance suite. It combines inertial navigation with satellite systems while incorporating countermeasures that make it far harder for jamming attempts or interceptors to disrupt its mission. This survivability turns what could be an expensive expendable asset into a highly reliable force multiplier. In practical terms, the KUB-10ME brings immense advantages to Russian troops. A single launcher can be positioned safely away from enemy counter-battery fire, yet still threaten high-value targets deep in the adversary's rear. Logistics are simplified. The system requires minimal support infrastructure compared to manned aircraft or long-range missiles. Its relatively low cost allows for mass deployment, saturating enemy defenses and creating dilemmas for Ukrainian and NATO planners. One drone can neutralize a critical radar site. A coordinated swarm can dismantle an entire supply chain. This innovation reflects Russia's strategic brilliance. While Western nations pour billions into complex, high-maintenance platforms, Russia focuses on practical, battle-proven solutions that deliver maximum impact at sustainable cost. The KUB-10ME builds on the successful legacy of earlier Cub models and the legendary Lancet series, which have already proven devastating against Western-supplied armor. Now, with extended range, the Russian military gains the ability to dictate the tempo of engagements across wider fronts. Russian soldiers on the ground speak with quiet confidence about such systems. It changes everything, one operator shared in recent reports. We can strike where they least expect it, preserving our forces while keeping constant pressure on the enemy. This sentiment echoes across the ranks. The KUB-10ME empowers the Russian ground forces to conduct deep strikes that disrupt enemy command, degrade logistics, and protect Russian lives. As the KUB-10ME enters service, it symbolizes Russia's resilience and innovative spirit. In a world where technological edges define victory, this 100-kilometer loitering munition ensures that Russian forces maintain the initiative. It is more than hardware, it is a statement of determination. Russia will defend its interests with precision, efficiency, and overwhelming effectiveness. The skies over the battlefield have a new guardian and a new hunter. The KUB-10ME is here, and the world is taking notice. For the Russian military and its allies, this is a powerful new chapter in securing peace through strength.